This is the DT102. It's a really interesting smartwatch. Swipe down, you get a bunch of controls, including changing your brightness instantly from super bright to dim. You've got basic information. You have vibration on or off, and you can remotely play music from your phone through the speaker on here. It's a Bluetooth calling watch and has that capability. When you come over here, you get your step count information. You have heart rate that you can monitor instantly with the green diodes, and it kicks in right away. It's also doing continuous heart rate in the background that it transfers over to the app. You have weather in your area. It shows your temperature and a big icon to tell you what kind of day it is. That's kind of new. It also can report your UV readings and the air pressure in your area, or whatever city you want. You specify that in the app. Ladies, if you're registered as a female and you put in your cycle information, it'll tell you just where you are in that wonderful cycle of events. That's all of these different directions. Coming back here, you get this little panel on the side that shows you your messages you've received and Bluetooth calling capability and your most recent apps that you've used. Come down, you have a bunch of different ways of displaying all of your apps. Phone, messaging, contacts for the Bluetooth calling records. You have your fitness data, which is what we saw already for your step count stuff. A variety of sporting activities that you can get into, including yoga, elliptical, all of that's available. Heart rate, a funky ECG that just gives you heart rate using the diodes and has nothing to do with ECG. Warning on that one. There's a chart that it produces in the app, but it's not real. You can get blood pressure, blood oxygen. NFC is just for exchanging business cards. Remote music player. Last night's sleep time, of course. Stopwatch, weather. A QR code that you can create, put on here, and show to a vendor, and use it for not money transactions, but just working with QR codes. If you have any GPS motion records, they'll be here. You can set your time. You can invoke Google or Siri with this, and the response will come out of the speaker. You've got a flashlight, a really nice calculator, a bunch of other things in here, and overall settings that let you change your language and modify all of these different features, including putting a password on the watch if you'd like. It's got a lot of different watch faces. You adjust them simply by turning the dial. It's a really sweet little watch. It's the DT102. Check it out. Oh, one more thing. Charger. Tap it on there. It goes into a night mode with real time on it. And you can use it for charging. Or you can remove it, not touch it, and it'll stay this way. That's cool.